Hello guys, this is a quick review of this Makita drill hammer. I've been using this for some time. As you can see here, there are some wear marks and it comes inside of this box, which is pretty good. When you open the box, you see here the drill hammer. Let me just remove it from here. You see that I need to connect to power, just right here. Just remove the box from here so we can check this better. So here we go. It has a long cable, so you can just plug to the power. Let me just plug it here so you can see it working. Here we go. And basically here you have this handle. You can hold that way and you just press the trigger here. And it's pretty powerful, as you can see, okay? And it works with this SDS drill bit, right? As you can see here, I've been using this for a while. I use more this one and this one. You have different sizes. Let me just approach here so you can see the tip of this thing is like indestructible. It's very, very good and works like this. You see here, this mechanism, it comes inside of the drill hammer and start like hammering while you're doing your holes, right? Let me just show you here how it works. So you just need to put it here, that way, and it snaps in place, and then it does this movement, you see? While you're drilling the hole, it keeps hammering like this, okay? So that makes this very, very powerful. And I also use a lot this part here that you can just release and you move and you put like the way you want here, just to have to drill the hole like deep enough, right? Here, for example, you're gonna drill the hole this deep and it's gonna hit the wall here and then doesn't go any further than that, right? So it's very, very useful, very convenient and pretty good, okay? So guys, this works pretty fine. Every time you need to drill a hole, like in concrete, for example, you don't want to use a regular one. This one with the hammer stuff works pretty fine, okay? I've used this for some time. I like it and I recommend it.